This journey has been amazing. I love all the classes. I really thought magic was like very hard to do, but Chandrakit sir made it so easy and shown us all the tricks how to do it very easy. Yes, miss, and I love all the coaches. They have taught us so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving the golden chance to me. Before this, I was hesitating to dance, and now I am very much confident to dance.
Ma'am, this summer camp is very interesting. I really like all the activity. I really love dancing, cooking, and fashion designing. And calligraphy also.
Calligraphy also.
Very nice, and I like your class too much. Help me to laugh so much. He every time teachers like if you want to dance, smile. If you want to dance, smile. I like the Ankitana's dance more.
Yes, ma'am. I want to thank all the coaches, especially Anindita ma'am, because you taught us so much and you gave us and you for me you changed the point of view of life
I
for
want to
me.
thank Chandrankit sir because they teach us magic. I was thinking that magic was so hard and it is difficult. How did it is done? But Chandrankit sir did it easy, so I can do it. And Nabhanita ma'am, I thank you for all the quick recipes.
Ankitana is so good dance teacher, and from I'm small, and I like dance to do.
With Sadhya, I mean, the biggest challenge with her is to keep her engaged, and I'm, you know, really grateful that you guys have done that so well over a period of time. And obviously, we've seen a great deal of spike in her confidence. We've seen a great deal of spike in her interaction with the others, and the team building, and just a whole new flavor and a whole different perspective that she's got now. So it's been very, very nice.
In fact, I would just like to mention that in fact she used the travel and she did her photography assignment on traveling from Lucknow to Delhi. We traveled by car, so her photography assignment, that first video that she made was the travel from Lucknow to Delhi.
That is so beautiful. So, how you can utilize some disadvantage completely in your advantage?
Hi, ma'am, and good evening to all. And really, it is a very well designed course. I feel that, and it's giving a regular school break for the regular school activities and teaching about some life skills, particularly about that calligraphy and Swami sir sessions, and but Navanita ma'am's cooking session for all the kids. They are enjoying very very much. And my daughter, she liked very much Ankit Khanna's master's dance and Chandrakant sir's magic art actually. And she already started teaching to myself and my wife also. And she there is definitely I can feel that the confidence in her behavior and overall attitude also. And first of all, thanks to Anandita ma'am for the wonderful sessions and the coordination, and Shyam sir also for all the coordination for that. Thank you.
I'm making the nachos today after the class.
So, how you like
And
the
every-
preparation? How you like?
I
the-
love cooking. I love baking and cooking.
Thank you so much. So I loved your dance choreographies and I loved every minute of your class. I've been obsessed with dance before this, but now I'm even more obsessed with it. So thank you so much.
Ma'am, I really like this class, especially the magic, the calligraphy, and the cooking class because I'm interested in all three. I did not think I would really like the calligraphy as I thought calligraphy was very boring, but when I started to do it, I felt very happy when I did it, and then I got to know that it is actually an art.
Cooking, ma'am. Calligraphy. Dance, magic.
In this summer camp, I mostly like the dance, and it was very good dance by Ankitana sir, and this is a very good teaching style.
After Itanasa taught me, I think it is so easy.
Wow, that's wonderful. दिस इज अ रियल टेस्टिमोनियल. हम लोगों को दिखते ना, पहले हम इतने मोटे थे, फिर हम 4 किलो 10 किलो कम करके पतले हो गए. इट इज लाइक दिस. पहले मुझे डांस बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता था, फिर अंकित तन्ना सर आए एंड पूरा सीन बदल गया. वंडरफुल, अमेजिंग.
Most like your tips and Ankit Tanna dance and calligraphy.
My favorite two classes is cooking and magic, and magic was so easy for me. Oh, and cooking also was easy.
Mom registered for this summer camp. I'm so happy and excited when 3 May is come and this summer camp starts.
Hello, good evening, everyone. It was really a very wonderful experience for the whole summer camp. She was really looking forward for 4 o'clock every day, and she has enjoyed all the classes, cooking, calligraphy, Swami sir's lectures. She was so impressed by him, and the photo, the video, also the story that they did shooting for. It was also very exciting for them that they could see that this 2-minute video that they did shooting, and it was into a story which came out very nice. And she definitely looks forward to attend the summer camp.
Yeah, my daughter Tanusha, she really enjoyed all the classes and all the activities that were taught in the class. She loved the magic tricks by, and she was and today also she was very excited to show her magic tricks, and she invited all her friends. And we really enjoyed, our entire family enjoyed the cooking classes, and we were really happy to enjoy the easy to make dishes. But the feedback I want to share for the thing I just experienced, Tanusha is really very much excited for performing. She always want to come on the stage, and generally, if she doesn't get a prize or she doesn't get a chance, she gets a little bit disappointed. Today, I noticed she's totally under control and she's really sitting very calmly. So this is the thing I experienced just now. So I said I thought I must share this thing. So this is the most important thing I think she has learned in this class. She is totally under control, and I have seen her getting very much disappointed if she doesn't get a prize or doesn't get a chance to perform. So thank you so much. She has really learned a very important lesson for the life. Thank you so much for this.
Thanking you for advising me how to be happy.
Thank you so much, Bhavna.
Thank you, ma'am. I loved the magic class and the cooking class a lot. They were both my favorite classes. And I also made the nachos in the morning.
Oh, wow, that's great, Orin. Orin, in between, he thought ke karu nahi karu, but he bounced back, and that is what I like as an attitude. He really bounced back in a very good manner after I spoke to him separately. So the parents उनको help करते हैं to overcome the challenge. We don't let them give up. So that is a brilliant example where Orin did not give up and he came out with these brilliant dishes, and today he won also.
I loved all the classes.
In spite of their moods and feelings, they bounce back and they do so well. We are really proud of you, Arin.
Guru Govind do काके लागो पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपनो गोविंद दियो बताए.